All right, well, now welcome to SE Custom Designs. So this is my very first experience in working with logs, and this series here is all about making a dragon for a local wasabi restaurant that makes amazing sushi and are super friendly. They just basically moved from one place to another, and they have a new location. Everything is new. But that aside, that's why I'm getting involved with my very first cut piece. Now I have something that I want to show you. I'm going to zoom in, well, move in, nice and slow. Tell me what you see. I want you to paste in the comment of this video what you see. So I was not expecting that. Furthermore, if you got a weak stomach, look away. No accidents happened here. I just want to show you what came flying out over here. I'm going to be reviewing this Ryobi tool here, but that's not what this video is about. Why did it come flying out? Well, what I thought to do was to take my air hose, which I use all the time, and start spraying off the logs. So I spray directly into these holes on this log, as well as the other one, and out came flying something. That thing there, and this deflected off my glasses. You never know what's going to happen a day in the life of us woodworkers, right? So, being my very first experience, for you, those of you who've been doing this all your life, it's like, yeah, no kidding. Well, guess what? I was originally raised in Pittsburgh, the city of Pittsburgh, then overseas in Jerusalem, China, all over the place. Um, and so I was quite shocked at what happened here. So, all right, so we're continuing. There's only one video out now. This is the second video out. What I'm doing is just cutting away um, some of the stock, and we'll keep that around for a while. All right, and we'll toss it there for now. And this is the piece that I'm going to be working with. So what I needed to make sure was that I can fit between here and the neck. Okay, any stock I need to get in there. So I cut that back. Now here is the piece that I'll be working with. I need to make sure I don't put this the wrong way. Oh, what does it matter at this point? Okay, so now we get to look at this grain and figure out what we want to cut out of here for our dragon. I'm going to be making a dragon bandsaw box. So if you're watching the series early, you get to see the whole thing from the beginning as it's being released to my channel. And if you're a new subscriber, or if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Look at the series. Give us a thumbs up and a like. That would be nice. And comment on it. We appreciate that. All right. So this log here and this one here, I have been sitting on here within a safe distance of that handy heater, which has got lots of functionality built into it to just cut off if it gets too hot. But I made sure to be real safe about this, and I dried these out. This guy here was sitting outside. I think that this guy is birch. There was a huge tree across the street from us. I mean, it was 6 feet round, if not more. And the city came and cut it down. I ran over there and grabbed some stock from it. This here, I think, is from my backyard. I cut down a little mini tree, and I believe he's from my backyard. So I'm going to be making the dragon out of this. Here's the other half of that log that I just cut. Okay, this is probably where I got splattered too. So there you go. All right, so now what I need to do is figure out, sorry if I'm moving too fast. I forgot about that. I usually don't. I usually mount my camera. All right, so now I need to basically make a square. Cut out the not really, I don't want to cut a square out of this as if I'm cutting this for stock, for legs, or for some parts for a project like furniture. This is going to be a bandsaw box which deserves its own character. So I may go ahead and leave bark on top of the dragon. Who knows? I really don't know. but I need to be thoughtful what my next steps are. So essentially I'm going to lie it down like this and start cutting away at pieces of the wood till I can see that I have myself a dragon. The very first thing I should do is try to cut a base so that the dragon can be flat on the surface and not fall over, right? That would probably be a good thing. So that being said, I'm going to leave that knot there and that branch there. And I see that he is cracking down in here. So maybe what I'll do is come in over here and I'll cut straight across here. I think that's what I'm going to do. And so that'll be the bottom part of the dragon. It's hard to imagine the bandsaw box at this point. And that's the fun and the beauty of bandsaw boxes. If you're not familiar with bandsaw boxes, this is literally boxy, right? This might be what you would imagine. This here is stock from my neighbor gave me. Got pieces over there. He said, "Hey, you want this?" I went, "Yeah." So I cut all these things out of this, and then put it all back together again. The lovely one picked out knobs, which I keep forgetting to ask her. This is mostly dried out now from putting various finishes on it, oil. So he's ready to go into service for the lovely one. I've made some very elaborate bandsaw boxes. Unfortunately, my website is gone. Apparently it's not like as popular as it can be. So at any rate, I just let the contract go, and I no longer have it. But I got to put the photos that I have of the projects on my Facebook account, perhaps, and on Instagram and those types of things. But I'm a one-man show. This is me, man, in my wood shop. As I turn around here, this is Custom Designs, Steve and Catherine. Catherine's the other side. She does wedding dresses and all kinds of various sundry other things. So, this is the wood shop. And I am the editor, the worker, everything. So there's only so much time I can devote. I did put a lot of time into my website, unfortunately, and now gone. But just trust me when I tell you I've got lots of cool products out there for bandsaw boxes. I'm coming over here because we're going to do our third show here at the Maybe House. Look that up, the Maybe House. We did a show there, and let's come down close here. No, you can't really see any bandsaw boxes here. Just other types of things. But there you go. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for let's try not to fall over. Let's go this way. Thanks for tuning in. Always got stuff going on in the wood shop. Let me tell you, it's never a boring day. And my lunch is almost up, so I have to, unfortunately, go back to my day job. I like my day job, but I'm looking forward to, maybe in 6 years, retiring when I can, and just full-time working on fun projects. We have several projects going on. We have I don't think the picture is here, but we have I'm looking here, there, and yonder. No, a new project going on in an establishment just up north for me. I'm going to be making a countertop. And yeah, trust me, it's quite custom. We're still working out the details between me and the owner. So that is going to be a lot of fun, my friends. So really in the design phase, going back and forth. Hey, is this what you thought it was? And how are we doing on that? So, all right, take care. Do our usual goodbye. Shalom uvracha. Goodbye and blessings. That's in Hebrew. Mastalami, Arabic. Goodbye. Tutsins, Afrikaans, goodbye, or something like this. Zaijian, Mandarin, mainland China, goodbye. And in English, we're like, yo, see you later.